Welcome back to our What's New in AutoCAD 2024 series. In this episode, we'll explore the enhancements to Markup Assist. Let's dive in. In AutoCAD 2024, Markup Assist has been enhanced to simplify the identification and insertion of markups into drawings. By building on the existing Markup Import and Markup Assist features, which leverage machine learning, the new release automatically identifies markups in overlay files, streamlining the process of inserting markups and increasing productivity. To utilize Markup Assist, overlay a PDF or image markups into your planned production sheets using Markup Import. Then in the Markup toolbar, enable Traceback and toggle on the yellow lighting bolt. With Markup Assist, you can easily replace or amend existing text using text from imported markups or recognizing strike-through text in it. Hovering over the text markup's blue outline to activate the machine learning tool. Click the border to open the Markup Assist dialog box and select Update Existing Text. Choose the text in the drawing to replace and use options like Append to add markup text at the end or Replace to substitute it. You can also apply these actions to appended comments. After resolving the markup, close the text editor, and the markup is faded for better visibility. Markup Assist now recognizes instructions like Move, Copy, Delete, and Remove, matching them to corresponding AutoCAD tools. Click on the instruction in the markup to activate the associated command, and select objects within the markup boundaries to perform the action. Control the transparency of markups using Fade Markup, making it easier to manage and hide inserted or irrelevant markups. Access the Fade Markup command or Markup Assist dialog box to fade markups. Use Trace Markup Fade control to adjust transparency. Unfade markups by selecting them and choose Unfade or using the Unfade Markup command. Selecting objects within Markup Assist boundaries is now more intuitive, simplifying your workflow. Click on the highlighted border of a Markup Assist boundary to select all AutoCAD objects within it. Adjust the markup selection mode to customize selection criteria. The improved Markup Assist in AutoCAD 2024 empowers you to work more efficiently with markups. Stay tuned for more features in our AutoCAD 2024 series. Thank you for watching.